My Mission for a Successful and Peaceful Life. Written by Dr. Khalil Al-Mulla. Edited by Dr. Jesse J.B. Boyd. Read by Miss Maryam Hamad. Good day, everyone. During this program, which contains 9 videos, we will review Dr. Khalil Al-Mulla's book, My Mission for a Successful and Peaceful Life. The book contains an introduction and 2 parts. Part 1, Personal Mission Statements, highlights the significance of our life missions in 4 chapters. Chapter 1, Causes of the Pain People Experience. Chapter 2, Treatment of the Pain People Experience. Chapter 3, Writing Our Personal Mission Statements. Chapter 4, Reviewing Our Personal Mission Statements. Part 2, Self-Love, emphasizes the importance and requirements of positive self-love. It contains 4 chapters. Chapter 5, Self-Responsibility. Chapter 6, Self-Esteem. Chapter 7, Self-Understanding. Chapter 8, Self-Development. Hint: in this book, the term constructive goals and the term high-value goals are used. They refer to useful and accomplishable goals that help us succeed in our roles as spouses, parents, students, employees, and colleagues. These goals are consistent with moral values such as integrity, fairness, respect, compassion, and kindness.